boy, we got us a package from Canada Post, and I'm pretty sure I know exactly what's in here. Stay tuned, let's do an unboxing. Okay, so I'm just going to keep the address side facing me just because I don't want to give anybody's addresses away without permission. Alright, get that open with our SOG Jungle Primitive, basically a Bowie knife, whatever you like to call it. I always like to call them the David Bowie knife, you know. Kind of a big awkward knife. Oh, I hope that was a little glued on the bottom side here. Maybe next time we'll use something a little more conventional. Thanks again, Bruce.
Raven and I are just doing the edit on the video, and we noticed that well, Daddy didn't tell the story about what we had to go get. So I went and got a peddler pulley for Bruce, and we mailed it off to him. And it was just down in Innisfil. But yeah, I forgot to mention that here. Sorry about that.
Thanks again, Bruce. Oh jeez, he sent me 20 bucks. 30 bucks, because I had to drive to get it for him. I told him not to bother. Bruce, you animal. I told you not to bother. Thanks, buddy. Everybody, whoever's watching this video, please go down in the comments and say thanks to Bruce. He didn't have to do that. I told him it wasn't a problem. I only had to go to Innisfil. That's not too far from here. It's like a 40-minute drive at best. Alright. Drum roll, please. Oh, look at this. Bunch of new old stock Pioneer Felon dogs. Look at this stuff. You know. Oh, and there's even a chain plate. A guard plate there for one. And one of these apparently will fit an 1100 or a 1200. Well, I'm sure an 1100 would be the same. And that's kind of groovy. I think this one, yeah, this is for the 20 series. Nice, guys. So you can tell we're going to be putting that out on one of our 20 series saws right soon. Thanks again, Bruce. Everybody, leave Bruce a thank you in the comments. That's awesome of him. Because of him, we're going to get to see some more Pioneers with some dogs on them. Alrighty. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing video. Till next time, take her easy. Be safe.